Operations Group. Ayan, okay. Ano yun? Si Mr. Transe. Would like to greet you guys. Ayan. O, ito na, yung pagbati. Yung would like to greet you, ito na, greetings na. Everybody at SBITC, Subic Bay International Terminal Corporation, the SBITC company. Happy listening you guys, okay? Once again to Mr. Renz, Ma'am Abby, Sir Donato of Operations Group, and Mr. Jason Bandilio, and everybody there at SBITC, okay? Pagbati kay mula kay Mr. AJ Senador Transe, and shout out na rin sa the rest of the Transe family, okay? So before we press play on the top of the hour commercial break, this advisory first, the Choco Hero Iron Run Kids and the Century Tuna Ironman Philippines and Ironman 70.3 are going to be happening June 8 and June 9, 2024 here inside the Subic Bay Freeport. This race series is one of the biggest triathlon events in the country, okay? With thousands of participants from around the world. Heavy traffic is going to be experienced in the Subic Bay Freeport during these dates. And to avoid being stuck in the traffic jam, the public is advised to use alternate routes when going to Bataan or Zambales, okay? And the complete traffic advisory will be released soon, all right? And it's always got to be posted naman on the Fantastic Subic Bay official Facebook page of the SBMA Tourism Department, okay? So once again, Choco Hero Iron Kids, Century Tuna Ironman Philippines and Ironman 70.3, June 8 and June 9. Mas maganda, avoid those dates na lang. Stay na lang sa bahay. O kaya watch the triathlon instead of going places or going around, which uses the roads here in the Subic Bay Freeport. Yun ang mas maganda, di ba? Ayan, okay? So, those are the announcements and reminders. Time for me to press play on the top of the hour commercial break. So, please do stick around. We will be back with the final hour of this radio show, The Morning Brew with DJ Tommy G.
Subic Bay.